Everybody, it is the next day. It's Sunday. I look crazy because I have a zip patch and a nose strip on. Today we are going to attempt to go somewhere because I just feel like I'm itching to get out, even though I've only been inside for like a few days, not even fully. And we're literally just gonna go to this boba shop that's right up the street. But it's crazy how much snow there is here for North Carolina. My front window right now. Oh my god, this is my front window right now. It's crazy. Crazy. So much snow. I thought I would do a little outfit of the day, kind of. This sweatshirt is, this is not a sweatshirt, sweater. Turtleneck sweater is from Abercrombie. I've had it for years and it's such good quality. This beanie is from Aritzia. Earrings are pretty simple. These two are from Madewell and this one is just the starter piercer earring that I got. Same on the other ear. And my leopard sweatpants that I'm wearing are also from Abercrombie, and yeah. My sort of girl dinner-y type thing going on. These are the vegetable soup dumplings from Trader Joe's. I just put some soy sauce and sesame oil on them. Yes, this is a Thanksgiving paper plate. I have these left over from Friendsgiving. I'm also drinking this strawberry vanilla. Ah! Oh my god. Oops, that was an accident. Y'all know I love a fun drink. It's been a couple days since I vlogged. I thought this would be the last day to include in this vlog. It is Tuesday, and I am just watching a YouTube video before I have class virtually in like 20 minutes. We have only remote virtual classes for the rest of the week, which is kind of crazy. And we haven't done anything for my Saturday class, which is, I don't know. But I will be having a Teams meeting class for my Tuesday policy class. Thankfully for my Wednesday class, he's just like recording videos of him doing like lectures and having us like watch those on our own time, which is totally fine. I'm gonna do that tonight as well. And then I'm gonna work on some of my freelance work. For that, I may edit a YouTube video, do some reading. You know, that seems to be kind of my routine. Like breakfast, get ready, then I do either schoolwork or content creation work, or like house stuff like laundry. So yeah. Tess Barclay's video, her tips are she's one of the few people whose content creation tips have like actually helped me. I feel like a lot of people kind of just say the same thing, but she actually says stuff that's like really helpful. I was like actually taking notes, and I've been having like girl dinner for dinner the last few nights. So I have this ramen cup from Trader Joe's. I have my emotional support water bottle. And yeah. Any other students or like higher ed employees, I don't know if you're watching this, do y'all ever just like hate Teams or like hate Microsoft Suite or whatever it's called? I feel like every time I use Teams, there's always a technical problem. I've used it for interviews, work meetings, virtual classes at this point, and there's always a tech problem. It literally seems like they haven't updated that whole system since like 2002. And also the way that the email Microsoft Outlook is set up is really confusing. I'm always having to like write reminders to myself so I remember like how it works. Like if you schedule an email, it just goes in the same folder that drafts go into, even though in Gmail it's a separate folder, because that makes way more sense. Because then I just get confused thinking like maybe I didn't finish writing the email and then I have to stop myself and it's a whole thing. Not a fan of Teams. If I'm ever in charge of like a company or something, we're using Slack and we're using Google Suite, because this is the only two applications that make sense and that actually work efficiently. So, oh my god, this looks crazy. Oh, there we go. Hello. It is Wednesday. This is gonna be the last day in this vlog series, sort of. I've never done a week in my life, so I guess we'll just see how this goes. I have been fairly productive today. I cleaned, did dishes, I did some reading, I scheduled some videos. In about an hour, I'll be going to a webinar with Indivisible Guilford County, which is a progressive organization that does a lot of activist stuff around here. This event was supposed to be in person, but they moved it to virtual because of the snow. I'm looking forward to that. And after that, I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go get groceries or if I'm going to stay here and do homework, or if I will just do that and then come back. Because I have enough to like get me through the next few days, but also like I really have been craving that chili from Trader Joe's. Harvest chili, I don't know if y'all have had it. It's from the like refrigerated section. It is so good. I also have some things in my pantry that I honestly, like I bought them, but I ended up not using them. And I'm like, I'm not gonna use this. I wanna take it to like the community fridge around here. So yeah. Bit of a reading update. I am about a 30% of the way through this book and I'm really enjoying it. Definitely not something I would recommend to anyone that's like not like at least like 17 or 18. I definitely wouldn't want my like teenage child reading this. Definitely very explicit, but also I really appreciate that about Jeanette's writing. She's very explicit. I think she always just had this very blunt nature of herself with like her personality and the way that she writes. I've seen reviews that are kind of mixed, and I think it's also because people know her from her child stardom. They maybe are kind of taken aback by the book, but this is actually pretty similar to a lot of books I've read within the last year or so. So the material isn't as jarring to me as it is to other people. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm probably going to give it a 4.75 or maybe even 5 stars. We'll see. Things done. It went well. And I'm gonna go get some groceries now. It's like 7:15. I'm usually out of Trader Joe's in like 20 minutes though, so no worries. Also, I tried a new winged eyeliner tutorial because I never am able to get it to look the way I want it to. And this side looks good. This is good. This is not like great, but still it's better than usual. It always happens like this. I can never get both eyes to look the same way. It's really frustrating, but still an improvement. So yeah, let's go. Show you my outfit before we go. Oh my god. This sweatshirt is from Maddie Green Boutique. I bought this years ago, but she has similar stuff on her website. These leggings are from Victoria's Secret Pink. This shirt is from Wild Fox. And my bandana my mom got on Amazon in like a 10-pack or something. My earrings are pretty simple. Kendra Scott, Madewell, and the freaking piercer starter earring. So yeah, let's go. And we're back. Why did I do it like that? I put away all the groceries and I am now snacking on this kettle corn from Trader Joe's that is so good. I haven't bought this in forever. I feel like I'm gonna end up eating the whole bag tonight. I had pasta for lunch and I had leftovers, so I'm probably gonna eat that for dinner. And then I'm gonna work on the assignment for my contract job. And yeah. It is evening and I am bonneted up. The weather forecast said that it's snowing-ish right now. It said flurries. Obviously, the weather app didn't say snowing-ish, and I said snowing-ish. But yeah, I am going to enjoy I'm trying not to tip this over, my soup dumplings from Trader Joe's as my sort of small dinner. I had leftover pasta from lunch, but I just wasn't feeling hungry enough for something that big, I guess. I just wanted a little something. I don't know, I feel like I've been craving just these little somethings a lot. These very specific savory things. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I've included a couple days. But yeah, let me know if you like this sort of thing. I love vlogging, it's super easy. If you are not registered to vote in the upcoming elections, be sure to do that. I know the deadlines are coming up in quite a few different states. If you are registered, just make sure you know where to early vote. I'm gonna leave some resources down below. I feel like a lot of times in old videos I would say that I would link things below, but then I wouldn't remember to link everything, but I've been doing a better job of that recently. So yeah, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.